the 911 Turbo S. The double wing exhaust. What? Look at that, just drop the top. Look at that thing. Oh. Pull up the windows. Look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. It's like my hip. Literally my hip. Oh, it's so sick, bro. Look at the shifter, yo. It's just simple, bro. Look at the watch. Rolex should corroborate with Porsche, bro. Put Rolex there. Imagine. That'd be so sick. 911 Turbo S. Look at that interior. Regular leather and white and black, bro. That is so cool. That looks so cool. Yeah, go ahead. No worries. Thank you. Uno, dos, yeah.